Ho, ho, ho. How do you decorate your home for Christmas? What steps can you take to create an unusual color combination? Which tools can inspire you for unique Christmas decor ideas? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Virginia, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Planner 5D to get your home ready for Christmas. We all know it, decorating for the holidays can be a lot of fun, but it can also be kind of stressful, especially if you're trying to get everything just right. If you're like me, you've probably spent hours putting up your decorations, only to take a step back and realize, that doesn't look so good. Or you've put together an entire Pinterest board and realized very quickly how expensive it is. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to avoid all of that by using 3 simple steps that'll save you time, money, and get you those perfect Christmas decorations. Before we get started, Santa's got an offer for you. It's me, I'm Santa. Planner 5D offers a 7-day free trial of the Pro membership, where you'll have access to all of the amazing features I'll be showcasing today. So make sure to check the link in the description to start your free trial. All right, let's get started with step number 1. One of the hardest things about decorating for Christmas is figuring out what theme or color scheme you want to go with. I mean, there are a lot of options. It's very easy to get overwhelmed. Thankfully, inspiration is just a few clicks away. One of my favorite ways to get inspired is using the design generator on iOS. This special feature gives you amazing Christmas decor ideas tailored to fit your space. It's quick, easy, and super fun. Like many of us, I love browsing Pinterest or Instagram to find decor ideas, but sometimes I want something just a little bit more unique. And this is where mood boards come in. It's a really great way to gather all of your ideas in one place and create a cohesive vision for your holiday decor. For example, the amazing designers at Planner 5D have put together a mood board that's a little bit unconventional. This year we've gone with a bold black and yellow color scheme for the living and dining room areas. It's a very classy Christmas. Once you have your inspiration, it's time to bring it to life in the editor. Thankfully, you can link your mood board to a new project for a seamless workflow. From there, you can start designing your space. Don't forget to check the holiday tab for all of the festive decor. Whether you want a traditional Christmas tree or something a bit more modern, there's something for everybody. Now let's talk about visualizing your design. This is where the fun really begins. Once you've finalized your layout, then you can turn your design into 4K renders. These renders show incredible details like shadows, reflections, and textures, so you can get a true feel for your space. I absolutely love my Pro membership because I get unlimited 4K renders. Another fun way to visualize is using the AR mode on your phone. This is a great way to make sure everything fits, or a good way to see that, yeah, that 10-foot Christmas tree isn't gonna fit. And as an added bonus, you can also use the AR try-on feature. If you're thinking about buying a specific item, maybe a new Christmas tree, you can use this feature to see it in your space before you commit to buying. All right, let's do a quick recap. Inspiration. Use the design generator or create a mood board to start visualizing your Christmas theme. Design. Link your mood board to your project and start building out your space with Planner 5D's catalog. Visualization. Use 4K renders in AR mode to see how your design will look in real life. I hope this video helps you create the perfect holiday setup with ease. Let us know in the comments if you use a real tree or a fake one. I use a fake one. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the 7-day free trial. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas or holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.